that is 625. X square equals to 625, therefore x equals to square root of 625, that is 25. So that will be the answer. Plus or minus 25, don't take it, because in this chapter you are not concerned with plus or minus. We always take it as plus. If the answer in the exam is given as plus or minus, then take that, otherwise plus 25 is the answer. Okay. Next, if x varies directly as y square and x equals to 4 when y equals to 5, then find the value of x when y equals to 15. See here, x varies directly as y square. It means x, this proportion sign, and y square. Directly means both are in the numerator. If inversely, then one will be in the denominator. Okay, here it is directly. So x proportion y square. So convert this proportion to equals to. So x equals to ky square, where k is a constant which we take. Now this k will remain, whatever the value of x or y changes, k will always be the same because it's a constant. Okay, what is given? X equals to 4 and y equals to 5. So 4 equals to k into 5 square, right? That is 25k. So 4 equals to 25k. Therefore k equals to what? 4 upon 25. Now you got the value of k. Therefore x equals to what? K will be now 4 upon 25. So x equals to 4 upon 25 into y square. Now what is asked? Find x when y equals to 15. Put the value of y in this. Therefore x equals to 4 upon 25 into 15 square. 15 square is what? 225. Right? 25 ones are and 25 what? 9s are 225. Yeah. So 9 4s are 36. X equals to 36. That is the answer. If x and y vary inversely as each other and x equals to 10 when y equals to 6, find y when x equals to 15. Same problem as the earlier one, only the difference is it's inversely over here. See here, x varies inversely as y, so x directly. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.